And don't forget, if you enjoy our videos, to like, share and subscribe to our channel for great wildlife content.
So over here we've got what's known as an African giant land snail. And these guys are the largest species of snails you'll find in Africa, in South Africa as well. And what's quite interesting about them, like most snails, they are hermaphrodites. Now this doesn't mean that they can mate with themselves and give birth to young. This means that they possess both male and female parts, but they have to find a partner to breed with in order to fertilize that partner. And how they will do this is they will move through the brush. Once they come across another partner that's both male and female, they'll actually take the time to fertilize each other, and they do this using what's known as a love dart. Now those little tentacles in the front of its body, those eyes in essence, are what they'll use to convert into the love dart. And they'll impale each other with that, sort of like a harpoon looking appendage. And then they will then fertilize each other, and they both will lay eggs. This being said, so they have an interesting mouth part, and they'll use this to slowly grind away at these bones that they come across in the bush. And they'll use that calcium storage to build a shell. Now, we all know that they can't go to a pharmacy and get calcium supplements like humans, and this is how they get their calcium. But what's also interesting is they'll usually shed their shells every winter. So they'll shed that very large shell, they'll bury themselves in the ground, and through the winter months, they will then start to grow a new shell, meaning that when they come out, they're a little bit bigger and they've got a shell that fits their body. The cycle doesn't just end there. From there, the discarded shells will be utilized by many animals. A lot of them use it for protection, such as spiders, scorpions, and things like that. By hiding in the shell, they get away from predation. But also, a little creature known as a scrub hare, a little rabbit-like animal, will come and they'll chew on the old discarded shells for their calcium supplement. Quite interesting. Everything in the bush has a usage. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and share for more. And they both will lay eggs. How awesome is that? What is also pretty interesting about these snails is they will feed majority on plant matter, like most snails do. But in order to get the calcium that's needed to grow a shell that big, they will do what's known as osteophagia. Now, osteophagia is the process where an animal will chew or feed on bones to get the calcium and phosphorus supplements into their systems. So they have a interesting set of jaw-like teeth,